Hey there, tech enthusiasts and problem solvers. It's Steele, your guide to the digital frontier. Today, we're diving into something truly groundbreaking. Imagine having a chat with an AI agent that not only understands your tech queries, but also responds visually and audibly, just like chatting with me. Well, guess what? That's not in the realm of imagination anymore. Welcome to my demonstration of DID's new Agents Beta. Let's jump right in. First up, let's ask my agent, how do I monitor an autopilot deployment in Intune? To monitor an autopilot deployment in Intune, you can follow these steps. 1. Log into the Azure portal using your admin credentials for the tenant. 2. Navigate to Microsoft Endpoint Manager, Devices, Windows Enrollment, Deployment Profiles. 3. Select the autopilot deployment profile that you want to monitor. 4. In the deployment profile page, you will find information about the deployment, such as the number of devices, progress status, and any errors encountered. 5. To view detailed information about each device, click on the deployment profile and navigate to the Devices tab. This will show you a list of the devices enrolled in the autopilot deployment. 6. You can further filter the device list based on criteria such as date enrolled, profile assigned, and enrollment status to track the progress and status of individual devices. 7. In the device details, you can see information like the device name, hardware ID, enrollment status, compliance status, and deployment profile associated with the device. Please note that the provided steps are based on the information available about monitoring autopilot deployments in Intune. If you need additional assistance or encounter any issues, I recommend referring to the Intune documentation for detailed instructions. Pretty neat, right? Now let's tackle something else and ask my agent, how do I package a exe install to be deployed as an application in Intune? To package a exe install to be deployed as an application in Intune, you can use the Microsoft Win32 Content Prep tool. This tool helps you prepare the app by creating a .intune win file that can be uploaded to Intune. Here is a step-by-step guide to using the Win32 Content Prep tool. 1. Ensure that you meet the prerequisites for Win32 app management, which include using Windows 10 version 1607 or later, Enterprise Pro and Education versions. 2. Download the Microsoft Win32 Content Prep tool from GitHub as a zip file. The zipped file contains a folder named Microsoft Win32 Content Prep Tool Master, which contains the prep tool, the license, and a README. 3. Extract the contents of the zip file and open the Microsoft Win32 Content Prep Tool Master folder. 4. Place your exe install file, along with any other necessary files and folders, in a separate folder. 5. Run the Win32 Content Prep Tool.x from the Microsoft Win32 Content Prep Tool Master folder. 6. Follow the prompts in the tool to specify the source folder where your exe install file is located. 7. The tool will create a .intune win file in the same folder as the Win32 Content Prep Tool.exe. This Intune win file contains the packaged app. 8. You can now upload the Intune win file to Intune and deploy it as an application. Please note that the Win32 Content Prep tool zips all files and subfolders when it creates the .intune win file. Make sure to keep the tool separate from the installer files and folders to avoid including unnecessary files in the package. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. And there you have it! 2 essential tasks simplified by your very own AI agent. Now, you're probably wondering how this magic happens. My photo was created using Midgjourney, then brought to life in DID. Pairing it with my uniquely trained voice from ElevenLabs and loading it up with Intune knowledge, we created an AI agent ready to tackle your tech queries. This is just the beginning. The possibilities with AI and digital assistants are endless, and we're here to explore them all. Got more questions? Or want to see more demos? Drop a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights and tutorials. Until next time, I'm Nick Steele, signing off from Inside Out Gear. Stay curious and keep exploring.